Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make animations in a popular style. First, you need a compelling script, which can be drafted with AI assistance for efficiency. Focus on interesting facts or engaging narratives. Next, record a high-quality voiceover. You can use your natural voice for authenticity or leverage advanced AI voice generators to create a consistent sound. Remember to storyboard your ideas, planning each scene's visual elements and transitions. Now let's build your animated world. Blender is a fantastic free tool for three-dimensional animation. You'll want to gather your assets, like models and props, from online libraries such as Sketchfab or Free3D. For characters, consider using add-ons like Human Generator or Mixamo, which provide pre-rigged models ready for movement. A common visual element is a simple blue grid background, which you can easily create within Blender. With your scene set, it's time to bring everything to life through animation. Focus on smooth character movements by posing and keyframing within Blender. Dynamic camera work is crucial. Experiment with wide-angle lenses and fluid camera paths to enhance engagement. Render your animation clips, typically at 30 frames per second, using Blender's Eevee render engine for efficient output. This step transforms your three-dimensional models into moving footage. Finally, it's time for post-production to polish your animation. Use a video editor like CapCut or Adobe Premiere Pro to assemble your rendered clips and synchronize them perfectly with your voiceover. Enhance the experience with carefully chosen sound effects and appropriate background music. Don't forget to add clear, stylized captions. They are essential for accessibility and keeping your audience engaged throughout the entire short video. This final stage brings all your hard work together.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.